Hi guys, we are at Bison today. I'm going to show you how to install our soft roll-up cover. I'm going to guide you step by step how to install it. Let's do the unboxing and I'm going to show you what's inside. Comes with the manual, with a strip, clamps, rails to install the cover, and the cover itself. Now we're going to put the weather strip. If you're doing outdoor, you might have to use the heat gun. Peel off the strip, keep on putting in the middle, go all the way. Once you're satisfied, take the knife, cut it in the corner. Now we're going to put the rails on the side, pick up the other one, put it on the other side. Make sure this plastic piece is towards the tailgate. Now we're going to put the cover. These are the front parts, these are the knobs that goes inside the rail. Now we're going to put the knobs inside the rail. Now take it out as much as you can. Then push the rail inside. You do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to put the clamps, 3 on left side, 3 on right side. So these are the clamps. This is the knob. You can open it up, adjust it according to your need. Push this thing inside. Push it up. This thing goes inside the rail, then tighten it up from the bottom. Now we will unclip the cover. We're going to open it up. We're going to see if it needs any adjustment or no. If it needs, we're going to adjust it and then we're going to tighten up the clamps for the final inspection. Now we're going to unclip this thing. Open it up. Keep on opening. See, all these rods are going inside these tracks. You might have to move the track outside if it doesn't go in. Open. We're going to open it up. This is the lever that's going to open the cover. Now we're going to lock the cover. This is the locking mechanism. This is the locking plastic piece. You go at the back. Make sure you're connected over here and on the other side. Then you just push the cover down like this. Once the cover is done, you're going to close the tailgate. Look for the gaps. You see a gap, you can adjust it backward and forward. Once you're satisfied with the gaps, you open it up. Go at the front. We're going to use the Allen key to tighten up the cover with the rails. Now we can use the supplied Allen key to adjust this bolt so that it can be attached to the rails. Once you're done with the Allen key, you can tighten up the clamps now. Once you're done, you take it out, push it outside and put your hand like this. It gives the cover better look. After this step, you're all set up. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to Bison Tonneau Cover. Have a good day.